In our last episode, we decoded the investment angle along the Nagoal to Airport metro stretch. Today, let's move through 3 more key corridors in Hyderabad Metro Phase 2 and see where infrastructure is booming but investments may not be. Let's start with much hyped Raidal to Kokapet Neopolis metro line. It covers the high demand areas like Kajaguda, Nanakramguda, Gulf Coast, Puppalaguda ORR Junction, Khanapur and of course Kokapet Neopolis. Sounds promising, right? But here is the reality. Over 85% of this corridor is already filled with high-rise luxury apartments. And the average pricing for this high-rise luxury apartment is 2.5 crore per unit. Now ask yourself, if someone is buying a 2.5 crore apartment, are they really waiting for a metro? Let's be honest, they are on a car, not in a metro. So the only true beneficiaries here? Tech professionals commuting from other parts of the city. It's a line built for a moment, not for any market change. In fact, what the zone needs more than a metro? Wider roads, better traffic management and urban mobility solutions. Now, shift gears to something very different. MJBS to Chandranagutta metro stretch. Arguably, one of the best designed metro corridors in Hyderabad Phase 2. This connects the city's most densely populated middle class cluster and a blessing for LIG and MIG residents who depend on public transport. But from a real estate perspective, no new supply, no untapped demand, and no room for appreciation. It's a corridor built for people, not for profit. And it's absolutely fine, as long as you're looking at it not as an investment zone. And next is one of the most purpose-driven metro corridors in Hyderabad Metro Phase 2. LB Nagar to Hayat Nagar. This stretch is not built for high, it's built for real people. Settlers, working class families, middle class income groups, people who depend on public transport every single day. So is there any still opportunity for the investors? Absolutely. Commercial spaces are the first opportunity. With high daily footfall, this corridor is perfect for clinics, retails, coaching centers and small offices. Want to go a little off track? Check out Injapur, Munganur, Karur and Kuntlur. Maybe silent zones now, but perfect for future villa community developments. And for those seeking entry-level or mid-budget investors, Pedda Ambarpet, Pasumamula and Kohada are the top picks for the gated community open plots. This is not a speculative land talk. It's a corridor where infrastructure meets functionality, investment meets purpose. Stick around for more, only on Land Logic channel.